minutes. Let's go to Carol in Jacksonville.
Thank you for taking my call. My neighbor passed away about a week ago, and she didn't have a will, and she told me she didn't have any family. But then later I found out that she had a son that she gave up for adoption.
Mm-hmm.
And yesterday I found this family. So I'm wondering what they need to do. She did not have, I don't know anything about her finances, but she did not have a lot of, household items or anything. But do they
Did she have a checking, savings, money market account or anything like that?
No, she didn't have anything like that. She lived very frugally, and she lived in subsidized housing.
Well, adopted son, is not part of her family anymore. And
well, he's deceased, but he has 3 children who would be her grandchildren.
Well, not technically if he was adopted out.
Okay.
So if he was adopted out, they might be her biological grandchildren, but not her legal grandchildren.
Okay. So what about cousins or...
Yeah, the without a will, of course, it doesn't sound like there's anything to be in the will. Did she own her own home?
No, she lived in subsidized housing.
Okay. So basically it's just her personal things?
Yes, I just would like to see some, because, what happens to her body? I thought maybe some family could do something.
Yeah, the closest related person, which at this point, if he was the son was adopted out, there would not be that set of grandchildren, would be nieces, nephews. If she has a niece or a nephew, the closest one could petition the court to be with the consent of all the other close beneficiaries. Could petition the court to be appointed the personal representative of the estate, and then they be in charge of the personal things and giving the instructions on what to tell the funeral home.
I see. Okay. So they don't live in the area? A lot of them, so...
No, if it's a niece or a nephew, they can live anywhere.
Okay. All righty. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.